Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss this KCET 2023 paper part 2. In part 1, we have done 30 questions. I'll start with question number 21. Before I start, guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get the notification of all our classes. And if you've already subscribed, please do share this video. Let us start, guys. Hi, Sinchan. Question number 31. It was a question on linear programming problem. This is 3,4. This point is 3,4. This is 0,7. So this line is x plus y equal to 7. This is towards the origin, right? So x plus y less than or equal to 7. So it is shaded in the first quadrant only. X is positive, y is positive. Am I right, guys? It is shaded only in the first quadrant. So x should be positive, y should be positive. Then I should find out this line, right? Corner points are 0,2 and 3,4. Okay, so left out line is this line will be actually 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Use the 2-point form. Okay, so it is towards the origin, right? Right, yeah, it is towards the origin. So if I put x0, y0, you will get 0 minus 0 plus 6 is obviously 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is obviously greater than or equal to 0. So this should be answer option B only, because towards the origin is x plus 5 less than or equal to 7. Again, towards the origin is 2x minus 3y plus 6 should be greater than or equal to 0, and x should be positive, y should be positive. Answer should be option B only. Alright, so anyways, corner points are given, line is given, you just substitute and check which will satisfy. Only B will satisfy. Question number 32. Only one grace mark, Manoj, only one grace mark, one determinant question is there. So only one bonus. Remaining all are correct. Okay, so P of A given B. P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B. P of A given B is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. That is equal to 1 by 2. P of B given A is P of B intersection A divided by P of A. And that's equal to 2 by 3. If I cross multiply, P of A intersection B is equal to half of P of B. And if I cross multiply P of B intersection A, that is A intersection B is equal to 2 by 3 into P of A. You call equation 2. Right? If I equate these two, you get half of P of B is equal to 2 by 3 into P of A. Right? P of A is already given. Half of P of B is equal to 2 by 3. P of A is equal to 1 by 4. This will cancel 2 times. Again 2 will cancel with 2. Now P of B is equal to 1 upon 3. Answer is option C. Okay, answer will be equal to option C only. Let's move to the next question. Okay, question number 33. See, this is a question on total probability. Good question. No shortcut can be applied. P of A contains 2n plus 1 coins. So total 2n plus 1, back contains 2n plus 1 coins. So total number of coins is 2n plus 1. It is known that n of these coins have head on both the sides. That is, it's a two-headed coin. Whereas other n plus 1 coins are fair. Fair coins means probability of getting head is 1 by 2, tail is 1 by 2. 50-50. One coin is chosen at random and tossed. If the probability that toss results in head is 31 by 42, what should be the value of n? So let me take like this. E1 is equal to two-headed coin that is having head on both the faces. two-headed coin, and E2 is equal to fair coin. Fair coin means biased coin, sorry, unbiased coin. Probability of getting tail is 1/2, head is 1/2. So P of E1 is equal to, there are n coins which are two-headed coins, that is n divided by total is 2n plus 1, and P of E2 is equal to fair coins. There are n plus 1 fair coins, so it is n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1. This is total. Alright, one coin is chosen at random, selected at random, and tossed. If the probability that tossed results in a head, so E is equal to event of getting a head. E is equal to event of getting a head. The probability of E given E1, probability of getting a head given that it was a two-headed coin. Okay, probability of getting a head given that it's a two-headed coin is 1 only, because both the faces head is there. Probability of getting a head given that it was a biased coin, unbiased coin, so that is fair coin. Tail is 1/2, head is 1/2. Okay, now according to the question, P of E, that is probability of getting a head, total probability, P of E is equal to 31/42. Now P of E is equal to P of E given E1 into P of E1 plus P of E given E2, E given E2 into P of E2 is equal to 31/42. Probability of E given E1 is 1. P of E1 is n divided by 2n plus 1. Probability of E given E2, E given E2 is 1/2, and P of E2 is n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1 is equal to 31/42. I'm going to take 1/2n plus 1 common. Okay, left out is n plus 1/2 is equal to 31/42. 1 divided by 2n plus 1, take LCM 2. And if I cross multiply, it is 2n plus n plus 1 is equal to 31/42. This will cancel with this 21 times. Okay, now if I simplify, 2n plus 2n plus n will be equal to 3n, right? So this is 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 is equal to 31/21. If I cross multiply, 63n plus 21 is equal to 62n plus 31. So this means that n is equal to 10. Okay, n equal to 10. Answer is option A. Question number 34. A is equal to x by z u, b is equal to a comma b, f is a function from a to b is selected at random. Just a sec, guys. A function from x to b is selected at random. The probability that the function is onto. Right now, total number of functions. Total number of functions is equal to, if a set A contains, see, set A contains how many elements? Four elements, and set B contains 2 elements. If set A contains m elements and set B contains n elements, total number of functions is n power n. So let's say this is m, this is n. Total number of functions will be equal to n power n, 2 power 4, which is equal to 16. This is total number of functions. Total number of onto functions. Set A contains m elements, set B contains 2 elements. Total number of onto functions is 2 power m minus 2. Okay, so this is 4, right? It will be equal to 2 power 4 minus 2, which is equal to 14. 16 minus 2. So probability of A is equal to n of A by n of s. N of A by n of s. N of A is equal to favorable outcomes is 14. Total outcome is 16. So I get 7 by 8, okay, which is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 35. The modulus of a complex number is, let's say this is Z. Okay, let's say this complex number is Z. Z is equal to 1 plus I the whole square into 1 plus 3I divided by 2 minus 6I and 2 minus 2I. Alright, no need to simplify this. If I take suppose modulus of Z is equal to mod of 1 plus I the modulus of 1 plus I the whole square, modulus of 1 plus 3I, modulus of 2 minus 6I, this is modulus of 2 minus 2I. Modulus of Z is equal to mod of x plus I by is equal to root of a square plus b square. Let me do it here. Modulus of 1 plus I is the root of x square plus y square, which is root 2. Modulus of 1 plus 3I is root of 1 plus 3 square, which is root 10. Modulus of 2 minus 6I, root of 4 plus 36, which is root 40. And modulus of 2 minus 2I, root of 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. So root 2 the whole square is 2. This is root 10. This is root of 40. Root 8 is 2 root 2. It will cancel. Root 10 divided by root 40 can be written as 2 root 10 into root 2. This will cancel. Yeah, I get 1 divided by 2 root 2. I'll multiply and divide by root 2. So this is root 2 by 4. That's the first option. Question number 35 is option A. Right. Question number 36. See, when A is less than B and when X is negative, it's already mentioned X is negative. When you divide by X, inequality will change. That is, this is A by X is greater than B by X. Answer is option B only. Let's say 2 is less than 5. And if I divide by, let's say, minus 2, then 2 by minus 2 is greater than 5 by minus 2. That is, minus 1 is greater than 2 minus 2.5, which is obviously true. Isn't it, guys? So when A is less than B, when you divide by X, inequality will change. Even if you divide by minus X, divide by X when X is negative. When you divide by the negative quantity, inequality will change. Even if you multiply by negative inequality, negative quantity, inequality will change. Linear inequations. Question number 37. The 10 chairs numbered from 1 to 10 chairs are numbered from 1 to 10. 3 women and 2 men wish to occupy 1 chair each. So this 10 chairs are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First the woman choose the chairs from 1 to 6, marked 1 to 6. So 1 to 6 women should come, and 7 to 9. Right, then the men choose the chairs from the remaining. The number of possible ways is, when you arrange it is permutation, when you select it as combination. So I'm arranging, I should use permutation. Okay, so there are 3 women, right? So women should occupy the first 6 chairs only. So permutation is 6p3. So remaining 4 chairs should be filled with 2 men. Permutation is 4p2. Answer is option C only. Question number 38. Which of the following is an empty set? Which of the following is a null set? This is not possible, right? X square plus 1 cannot be 0. That is, x square is equal to minus 1 means x is equal to plus minus root of minus 1. that does not belong to R. That's why it is option C only. Remaining all are there. Remaining all will exist. Null set is option C only. Remaining all will obviously have roots which are real. Question number 39. The f of x is equal to ax plus b, right? F of x is equal to ax plus b. F of minus 1 will be minus a plus b. That is, in place of a, I should put minus 1. A into minus 1 plus b. F of minus 1 is minus 5 is equal to minus a plus b. Let's call equation 1. F of 3 is equal to f of 3 is equal to 3a plus b. F of 3 is 3. So I get 3 is equal to 3a plus b. Call equation 2. Now if I am solving equations 1 and 2, solving equations 1 and 2, minus a plus b is equal to minus 5 and 3a plus b is equal to plus 3. This is minus, minus and minus. It will cancel. Minus 4a is equal to minus 8, a is equal to 2. So minus 2 plus b is equal to minus 5, b is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3. Answer is option C. Okay, question number 40. The e to the power of log m plus log n is log m into n, right? So this is log to the base 10 of, this is tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 and so on up to tan 89. E to the power of log to the base 10 of. Okay, now if I simplify this, this is tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 and so on up to tan 44. Next term is actually tan 45, tan 46 and so on up to tan 89. Okay, tan 45 is 1. This is tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 and so on up to tan 44. Tan 46 can be written as, see, tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So this means that tan 46 is same as cot 44. We have supposed tan 46 should equal to cot of 90 minus 46, which is equal to cot 44. This will be cot 44 and then you get cot 43 and so on up to, this is cot 1. Tan 89 is same as cot 1. They are reciprocal of each other. This will cancel. Again, one term before this is cot 2. Similarly, cot 3 will cancel, cot 44 will cancel. One term before tan 44 is tan 43. Tan 43 will cancel with cot 43. Everything will cancel, you get 1. We get e to the power of log 1. Log 1 to any base is 0. E per 0 is 1. Answer is option E. Okay, question number 41. This is the bonus question. Value cannot be detected, but if you change this 14 degree to 24 degree, then you can find out. Wherever 14 is there, you write 24, answer will be 0. But anyways, it's a bonus question. With this, you can't find value. Right, it's the only bonus question, only problem where students will get bonus. Question number 42. The distance between the foci of an hyperbola is 16. Distance between the foci is 2AE is equal to 16. Eccentricity is root 2. Will cancel 8 times. Root 2 is equal to 8. A is equal to 8 divided by root 2. 8 is equal to 4 into 2 divided by root 2, which is equal to 4 root 2. Now b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Now b square is equal to a square, that is 4 root 2 the whole square, into root 2 square minus 1. B square is equal to 16 into 2 is 32 into 2 minus 1. So B square is equal to 32. A square is 32, B square is 32. Equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. That is x square by 32 minus y square by 32 is equal to 1. And if I cross multiply, I get x square minus y square is equal to 32. Answer is option B. Right, question number 43. If x tends to 0, you get 0 by 0 form. So we have to use L'Hopital's rule. That is, differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is cos of 2 plus x. Differentiation of 2 plus x is 1. Differentiation of cos x, sin x is cos x 2 minus x. Coefficient of x is minus 1. You get minus 1. Differentiation of x is 1 is equal to a into cos a into cos b. X is tending to 0. You get cos 2. Minus and minus is plus cos 2 is equal to a into cos b. If you equate, you get 2 into cos 2 is equal to a into cos b. If you compare, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 2. Answer is option B. Question number 44. See, whenever n is even, we know whenever n is even, middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term. Middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term. These basic things are there in NCERT only. N is even, n is odd. What are the middle terms? If n is even, there's only one middle term, which is n by 2 plus 1th term. According to the question, middle term is 924 x power 6. N by 2 plus 1 middle term is equal to 924 x to the power of 6. Okay, now TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r into a per r. N is n only. So this is NCR, r is n by 2 into x power n minus r. X is x square to the power of n minus r into a power r. That is 1 by x whole power r is equal to 924 x to the power of 6. This is NC n by 2 x to the x square whole to the power of n minus n by 2 is n by 2. This is x to the power of minus n by 2. This is 924 x to the power of 6. NC n by 2 x to the power of n x to the power of n minus 2 n minus x to the power of minus of n by 2. 924 x to the power of 6. Okay, so this is NC n by 2. Powers are added, x to the power of n by 2 is equal to 924 x to the power of 6. If I equate the corresponding values, n by 2 is equal to x to the power of n by 2 is equal to n by 2 is 6, and NC n by 2 is equal to 924. So obviously this n is equal to 12, right? If I put n equal to 12, you get 12c6 is equal to 924, which is also true. You simplify, find the value of 12c6, it will be 924 only, right? So the value of n is equal to 12. Answer is option D. Question number 45. See, in this, no need to do the problem. If I put n equal to 1, if I use the shortcut, if I put n equal to 1, given term is first term. First term is 1 only. Now I'll substitute in the options and check where am I getting 1. If I put n equal to 1 in the first option, you get 3 divided by 7 power 0, which is not possible. I'm supposed to get 1. Here if I substitute 2 minus 1, n equal to 1, if I substitute 2 minus 1, 7 power 1 minus 1, 1 by 7 power 0, which is equal to 1. This is true. Here if I substitute, you get 3 by 7 power 1. This is not possible. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 by 7. This is also not possible. Answer is option D only. Question number 46. See, these numbers are in AP, right? If I add 1, still the numbers will be in AP only. P into 1 by Q plus 1 by R plus 1. Q into 1 by R plus 1 by P plus 1. And then R into 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1, this is still in AP. If I take P common, you get 1 by Q plus 1 by R plus 1 by P, sorry. Here if I take Q common, you get 1 by R plus 1 by P plus 1 by Q. Again if I take R common, you will get 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R. This is still in AP. Okay, I'm going to divide by 1 by R plus 1 by P plus 1 by Q. So this means that P, Q, R are in AP. So the question is, what is P, Q, R? P, Q, R in AP. Answer is option D. Right, you add, you subtract, you divide, numbers will be still in AP. Question number 47, it's a very simple question. Line passing, it is asked in previous year papers as well. Line passing through the point 2, 2. Okay, perpendicular to the line 3x plus y is equal to 3 has y intercept. Slope of this line is minus a by b, right? Which is minus 3 by 1. Slope of this line is minus 3. Slope of this line is 1 by 3. This is m. This is x1 comma y1. Equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So you get y minus 2, m is equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 2. The question is, what is y-intercept? If it is y-intercept, x should be 0, right? He's asking what is length of y-intercept. Y-intercept, obviously x should be 0. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3 because x is 0. Y is equal to 2 minus 2 by 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. Y equal to 4 by 3. Answer is option A. Question number 48. Even this is asked in the previous year papers. The relation R we define in N by A related to B as A 3A plus 2B is equal to 27. Okay, it is relation on natural numbers. So natural number means it cannot be C, it cannot be D, because 0 cannot be natural number. Okay, if I check the first option, 2 comma 1 means 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 cannot be equal to 27. So first option is ruled out. If I check the last option, only one option is left out. If I check option B now, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 12 is equal to 27. Obviously true. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 9, 9 plus 18, which is equal to 27. This is also true. 5 comma 6 means 3 into 5 plus 2 into 6, 15 plus 12, 27. That's right. Again 3 into 7 plus 2 into 3, 21 plus 6 is 27. Answer is option B only, because all those points will satisfy. Okay, question number 49. G of f of x is invertible, that is inverse should exist. Inverse will exist only if it is both 1 to 1 and on to. It is invertible, that is inverse will exist only if it is both 1 to 1 and on to. G of f of x, right? G you keep as it is, fx is equal to x square minus 1. Sorry. Fx is equal to sine 2x plus cos 2x. Now if I substitute here x square minus 1, so this is sine 2x plus cos 2x the whole square. Okay, and then minus 1. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is 2 sine 2x into cos 2x is equal to minus 1. This is a square plus b square is 1. 2 sine 2x cos 2x is sine 4x. And then minus 1, this will cancel. This is sine 4x. Right? It is invertible only in minus, sin x is invertible in minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. That is the range. Domain is x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Range is, it lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this means that this 4x belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. It is invertible in minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. If you divide by 4, x belongs to minus pi by 8 and plus pi by 8. Answer is option C only. Right? Question number 50. See, I'll take P is equal to two lines do not intersect in the same plane. I'll take this as P, and I'll take Q is equal to they are parallel. P is equal to two lines do not intersect in the same plane. And I'll take Q is equal to two lines are parallel. I'm supposed to find out what is contrapositive. So this is given becomes P implies Q, right? If this is P implies Q, contrapositive will be negation Q implies negation P. That is, if two lines are not parallel, then two lines intersect in the same plane. Answer is option B. If two lines are not parallel, then they intersect in the same plane. Yes, answer is option B only. Contrapositive is negation Q implies negation P. Question number 51. The mean is equal to mean of 100 observations is 50, right? There was a similar question asked in 2019 paper. Mean of 100 observations is 50. Standard deviation is equal to 5. Standard deviation is root of variance. So root of variance is equal to 5. If I square on both sides, variance is equal to 25. Variance is equal to 1 by n summation xi square minus x bar square is equal to 25. 1 by n 100 observations, 1 by 100 into xi square. Okay, mean is given as 50, so this is 50 square is equal to 25. Now if I cross multiply, you will get 1 by 100 into summation xi square is equal to 50 square is 2500 plus 25. 1 by 100 summation xi square is equal to 2525. If I cross multiply, summation xi square is equal to 252500. Answer is option C. Okay, question number 52. Even this question is repeated. It is there in the previous year papers. Which of the following is not true? G circle f of minus 2 is equal to 2. Again, g of f of 4 is equal to 4. F of g of minus 4 is equal to 4. And f of g of 2 is equal to 2. I should check which of the following is not true. F of minus 2 will be minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is 4. G of x is equal to root x. Root 4 is 2, so 2 equal to 2. So 1 is true. But he says which of the following is not true. F of 4 will be equal to 4 square, which is equal to 16. Okay, g of x is equal to root x. G of 16 is root of 16 equal to 4. Even this is true. G of minus 4 is root of minus 4. Root of negative number is imaginary. That's why this is false. Even D will be true. If you want, you check. Question number 53. What is G circle F? It's a direct question. Similar problems are there in NCERT only. G circle F of x is equal to G of f of x. This G I'll keep as it is. Fx is equal to 3x square minus 5. G of x is x divided by x square plus 1, right? G of 3x square minus 5 is 3x square minus 5 divided by 3x square minus 5 the whole square plus 1. 3x square minus 5 a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 30x, 15 into 3 into 2, 30x square plus 1. This becomes 3x square minus 5 divided by 9x power 4 minus 30x square plus 26. Okay, answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 54. Matrix is singular. What should be the value of 5k square minus k square? 5k minus k square. Singular means determinant A is 0. Determinant of 2 minus k into 2, 1, 3 minus k is equal to 0. 2 minus k into 3 minus k minus 2 is equal to 0. You get 6 minus 2k minus 3k plus k square minus 2 equal to 0. K square minus 5k plus 4 is equal to 0. If you split the middle term, k is equal to 1 and k equal to 4. So if I substitute k equal to 1, you will get 5 minus 1 equal to 4. If I substitute k equal to 4, you still get 4 only answer. 5 into 4, this is 5 into 4 minus 4 square. You still get 20 minus 16 is 4 only. Answer is plus 4. Okay, these are same. After 30, only 31 is little lengthy. After that, all are simple ones only. Question number 55. This you have done in boards only. Area of a triangle is half of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and x3 y3 1 is equal to area of a triangle is 9 square units, that is plus minus 9. If I cross multiply, this is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to plus minus 18. Minus 3 into delete first row first column 0 minus k minus 0 multiplied by a number is 0. And then this is 3k is equal to plus minus 18. So this is 3k plus 3k. 3k plus 3k is equal to plus minus 18. 6k is equal to plus minus 18. K is equal to plus minus 3. K is plus minus 3. Answer is option A. Arshaf, good. If you are getting 40, very good. Question number 56. See, delta 1 is equal to, if I interchange the rows and columns, if I take the transpose 1 1 1, this is BC CA AB, and then this is ABC. Delta 1 is equal to first row multiply by A and divide by A. So this means that first row becomes ABC A square. Second row, if I multiply by B and divide by B, so this is B ABC and B square. Similarly, this is equal to C ABC and C square. Take ABC out from the second column. So this is ABC by ABC. Determinant ABC, and then you get 1 1 1. This is A square, B square, and C square. This fellow will cancel. If I interchange any two rows, if I interchange the first column and second column, I get minus of 1 1 1. This is ABC. This is A square, B square, and C square. Delta 1 is equal to minus delta. Answer is option A. Ax belongs to 0 and 1, right? So if it belongs to the domain, 2 tan inverse of x, the sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is 2 tan inverse of x, tan inverse of 2x, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This is 2 tan inverse of A plus 2 tan inverse of A is equal to 2 tan inverse of x. So I get 4 tan inverse of x, 4 tan inverse of x. 4 tan inverse of A is 2 tan inverse of x. This will cancel 2 times. 2 tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse of A is tan inverse of 2A divided by 1 minus A square is equal to tan inverse of x. X is equal to 2a divided by 1 minus a square. Answer is option A. Arshah, it should be around 15,000. Okay, so it all depends on others how they have done in physics, because physics was comparatively tough than math and chemistry, if I'm not wrong, isn't it? See, 1 minus sine x is actually cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2 the whole square. So this is cot inverse of root of, if you want to rationalize the denominator, otherwise this is cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2 the whole square plus root of cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2 the whole square. Okay, and then root of cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2 the whole square minus root of cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2 the whole square. Root and square cancels, here also root and square cancels. So this is cot inverse of, numerator is 2 cos x by 2 because sine will get cancelled. And if you open the bracket, this is minus 2 sin x by 2, right? 2 and 2 cancels, minus will be there. Okay, so this is cot inverse of minus cot x by 2. Cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse of x. This is equal to pi minus cot inverse of cot x is x, so you get x by 2. Pi minus x by 2. Answer is option A. Alright, question number 59. This is a very simple question. In fact, ICSE students will do in class 10th only. 3x, 2x. This is y and minus y is equal to matrix 15 and 5. If I equate, you get 3x plus y and 2x minus y is equal to matrix 15 and 5. So if I equate 2x plus y is equal to 15, 2x minus y is equal to 5. 5x is equal to 20, x is equal to 4. If you put x is equal to 4, 4 3 is 12 plus y is equal to 15, y is equal to 3. 4 and 3, x is 4, y is 3. Okay, and the last question, problem number 60. A square plus b square can be written as a into a plus b into b. A is same as BA, right? According to the question, A is same as BA, B is equal to AB, and B is equal to AB. This B I'll keep as it is. I'll group this. This is AB into A. This is A into BA into B. Again, this AB is equal to B. AB is equal to B. BA is equal to A. Again, BA will be equal to A. And AB is equal to B. Again, according to the question, BA is equal to A. AB is equal to B. So A square plus B square is A plus B. Answer is option C. Right, so I'm done with all the 60 questions, guys. 2020-24, which happened on 20th of May. 20th of May. Right, so in part 1 we have done 30 questions. Part 2 we have done 30 questions. So total 60 questions done. Please do subscribe the channel, guys. Enable the bell icon so that you get notification of all our classes. And if you've already subscribed, please do share this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.